So today I'm stood outside what used to be quite an iconic building in the old town part of Swindon. This is actually the old town hall years ago. There's a new one down in the new town, but this used to be the old one. Better known as the Locarno. Used to be, well, many things actually. When it was a town hall, it used to be a court as well. And it got bought out. It became a bit of a venue, a bit of a dance hall. Bands used to play here, famous bands like I think the Queen were here, the Who. Legend has it that the Beatles played here as well. It was quite a big place once upon a time. Unfortunately, it's fallen into complete and utter disrepair. It's a bit of an embarrassment, to be honest, you know, to have something like this in the old town part of Swindon, and really nobody really knows what to do with it anymore, because it's just like so this could be kind of interesting. It's a shame it's fallen into disrepair like it has. That was the main dance hall was there once upon a time. So it's literally in the heart of Swindon Old Town. Obviously Old Town Swindon is what it is. It's the oldest part of the town. New Town sort of being sort of down around the area over there. That's New Town Swindon. Right, so that was part of the old town there, part of the Locarno. It's pretty sad, you know, to know where it used to be and to what it is now. It's been in a state of disrepair now for about best part of 18-19 years, and nobody really knows what to do with it. It's a bit like the Mechanics Institute, which is down at the Railway Village, something which I'm going to film as well at some point. What do you do with it? What would you do with it? Would you invest millions of pounds to try and make something of it? Get it back to its former glory perhaps? Who knows? Nobody wants to do anything about it, and in the meantime it just rots away and decays. A part of Swindon's history. It's so sad. So we're just about to fly over the town gardens in Swindon, which are down there. It's literally, well, I'd say almost in the centre of the town. I'll be lying to say if it was, but it's surrounded by urban sprawl basically. that's Queen's Park. It's just a little bit of tranquility, if you like, in the centre of Swindon. And there's a few places like this. You know, little places people can come and they can, you know, they can just relax and have a sandwich and let the kids run around, and you know, you can have a chat with your friend. Here she comes. There we go.